Ingredients: red velvet mixture 2 cups, 3 eggs and 1 cup water, Oreo ice cream, vanilla ice cream. Decorate stuff. 3 eggs, oil 1/2 cup, red velvet mixture 2 cups, water 1 cup, mix well. Batter is ready for bake. Pour into baking tray. Shake it well. Keep into pot for baking. 42-45 minute medium flame. Cake is ready. Oreo cookie crumbs. Cake cut into 2 layers. Cover with crumbs and Oreo ice cream. Second layer, cover with vanilla ice cream. Cut the 4 side nicely and keep into freezer. Oh, my son eating his favorite cake. My son's 16th birthday today. He decorated the cake on his style. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for next video.